A God WOD This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. Wanna subscribe to the channel yet? Cause when you subscribe to the channel, we don't miss anything where God say to know in a mode in the Jamaican language. So beg you press the subscribe button. Anyway, today I'm going to read from the book we name Acts chapter 18 from verse 18 to verse 28. After Paul turned with them in Corinth for a long time, him tell the brother and sister them bye-bye. Then him and Priscilla and Aquila take one ship where they sail go to Syria. When they reach Cenchrea, Paul get his ear cut off to keep one promise him did make to God. When they reach Ephesus, Paul left Priscilla and Aquila and him go in at the Jew them church, go talk to them. So when they ask him for 10 little longer, Paul said no. So him tell them bye-bye and say, if God want me to come back to you again, I'll come back. Then he go on one ship and left from Ephesus. And when he reaches Caesarea, he go to Jerusalem, go tell the church people them howdy. Then he left go down to Antioch. After he turned there for a little while, Paul left and traveled through Galatia and Phrygia. I tell the church them to turn up strong for what them believe. Around the same time there, one Jew named Apollos, where they born in Alexandria, come at Ephesus. Him did a man where well bright, can talk good, and we know God word good. Him did learn about Lord Jesus and talk up strong and teach the sitting them were right about Jesus. But he only didn't know about how John baptized people. He never knew about how Jesus said people forget baptized. And he never afraid. So he start to talk strong in the Jew them church. But when Priscilla and Aquila hear them take him one side and teach him so he could understand God's word better. When Apollos, they want cross over go Achaia, the brother and sister them push him for go on. Them write one letter to the brother and sister them over there and tell them to take him in and treat him good. The one them where they believe because Jesus did so good to them, when Apollos reached him, the wholly failed them. Him argue hard with the Jew them in front of everybody and show them clear from God's word. Say Jesus are the one where God sent to save people. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.